Hi, this is the short topic that we discuss here, that is QTL, quantitative trait locus. Okay, this short topic confusing sometimes, that we clear that in this topics that here, that is QTL, quantitative trait locus. At first we understand what is locus. Locus is nothing but the region where alleles are present. Okay, if we consider that you are lived in your home, that is your home is your locus, so alleles are present inside the DNA, a particular region, this is called locus. Okay, and you also familiar with the term gene, chromosome, DNA as well as the alleles. Okay, I am not discuss about these terms. Okay, next, what is QTL? Let's with points. QTL is the region of a DNA where it control the phenotype traits. Okay, these traits are not only the product of single genes, it is the product of more than one genes, and you also called polygenic type of inheritance. Okay, here you see human skin color. Human skin color is one type of polygenic inheritance, meaning single trait is governed by three pair of genes. Let's see. Okay, next, many genes are also control single trait. Here I will take some examples like skin color, eye color, and body mass. Okay, and also human diseases like diabetes, cancer, hypertension are multifactorially controlled, meaning according to Mendel this term is used factors. Factors is not confusing, factors is equal to genes, or gene is called factors. These factor or genes are control the diseases like diabetes, cancer, and hypertension. And I also take another good example, that is from plant biology, that is the genes which are present in rice grain, it control their grain production as well as tillering numbers, meaning tillers, these are developed from the single plant which are responsible for the development or increasing the yield productions. Okay, this is the all about your QTL, and I will mention here, if you want to note, you also note this. QTL is the region of a DNA which is responsible for a particular phenotypic trait. Okay, next, QTL analysis. QTL analysis mean we analyze the locus or to explore the locus to more variation, to know about the variations or the compositions and their functions. For example, if you take a gene, that is A have that is the alternative versions like capital A and small a. Okay, this is called alleles. If we analyze particular in A gene, that is to explore these alleles, what types of nucleotide compositions are present in these types of alleles. Okay, these types of alleles. Let's how we analyze the alleles, how we analyze the quantitative trait locus. It is very simple. At first we consider or we take the some markers like SSRS, replication length polymorphism, RAPD. Okay, after we take the markers and we tag with the particular alleles. For example, we take the characters which are genetically differ, that is these are, if you take the characters like Mendelian characters like capital T, that is tallness, small t, that is dwarfness, and we cross them. After crossing, we found in F1 generation, that is capital T, a hybrid. This is called capital T and small t. This is the hybrid. Okay. How to analyze that we discuss here. That we take the two combinations of a gene, okay, and we cross them. Next we found the hybrids, and these hybrids are backcross with their parents. We know what is backcross. F1 hybrid cross with any one of the two parent. That we cross these parent or capital T, capital T. Next, what types of combination we found to in F2 generation? In F2, that is, we found these types of combinations, that is capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, and a capital T, small t. Okay, these types of combination we found. Okay, and this is the combinations that we get from these crosses, and how this combination will provide to find out their composition or their variations. It is very simple. We know here we used a term, that is linkage. Linkage. Okay, according to Morgan, what is linkage? Linkage is nothing but, this is the genes which are present in very close to each other and their inheritance to each other from one generation to next generation. This phenomenon is called linkage. And how to find out this quantitative trait locus by utilizing this term? That is, those genes which are present, or those alleles or these composition are present in parental type, that is capital T, they transfer to their next generation. That is, in our F2 generation we found four types of combination, that is capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, and capital T, small t. That is, these types of combination we found in F2 generation. Okay, how to analyze them? That is, the composition that present in a parental type, capital T and capital T, capital T and capital T, that they are transferred to their F2 generations. Okay, they are transferred to their F2 generation, and we found out these compositions by using or tagging these markers. Okay, here I will mention all the points how we will find out these the genes or to analysis them. Okay, this is all about our QTL and QTL analysis, and I will just overlook this. QTL is nothing but, this is the segment or this is the region of a DNA in which it control the phenotypic traits. Okay, and what is QTL analysis? QTL analysis is to analyze the breeders which found the composition or the variations or the functions of the particular genes. Okay, at first we choose the two strains. Here I will mention, we choose two strains which are differ genetically with regard to trait of interest. Okay, next we tag with them with these markers and cross them, and by using the term linkage, that we find out what percentage of nucleotides are equivalent or too close to each other from parental to F2 generation. That we analyze that these types of variations or these types of functions are maybe possible or present in any F2 generation. Okay, this is a short video. I think it is very helpful for you, and also your good for your exams. Thank you so much for listening my video. Thanks.